Henan Zhongrui Machinery specializes in producing a wide range of equipment tailored for the feed oil industry. Their product line includes pre-treatment systems, degumming machines, deacidification units, bleaching equipment, and deodorization systems. Each piece of machinery is engineered with precision and durability in mind, ensuring long-term performance and minimal maintenance. Moreover, the company offers customizable options to suit specific client requirements. What sets Henan Zhongrui apart is its commitment to technological advancement and customer satisfaction. The company continuously invests in research and development to incorporate the latest innovations into their products. This dedication to progress ensures that their equipment not only meets current. They provide comprehensive after-sales services, including installation support, operator training, and regular maintenance checks. For businesses seeking dependable and efficient feed oil refining solutions, Henan Zhongrui Machinery represents an excellent choice. Their robust product offerings, coupled with exceptional service and technical expertise, make them a trusted partner in the global market. Whether you are expanding an existing operation or establishing a new facility,